in today's video you're gonna see me do these velvety, really cool, sophisticated, classy nail art tutorial. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Hi, my name is Maham, also known as Malika E Maham. You can find me here on YouTube and on Instagram as Malika E Maham. In today's video I use this Ciate nail kit. I got this many years ago from Sephora, and I love having the option to have this kind of nail covering because pretty much you can put any color on the bottom, and on the top it gives it like a fuzzy effect. I know they came in other colors, but I think I picked this color because you can pretty much apply this one on any color and it'll give it a fuzzy velvety effect. I think it's a really cool nail art technique, and I would recommend Ciate's nail products. It's really fun, easy to do as well. First, you're going to see that I'm going to paint my nails with this kale polish. It's a mauve-y nude color. It is very similar to my own natural lip color, and I really love this color. This is Zoe. This was to fill in the ridges in my nails. Then I applied this light gray nail polish by OP. It's called Cementa Dio. As soon as I applied this while it was wet, I went in with this luxurious crushed velvet. It's just like velvet dust. It's really cool. You just dust it on. You pretty much mattify your nail polish that way. Pretty cool technique. You shouldn't feel bad about wasting too much of the velvet because it comes with this plastic tray. As long as you keep your hand, your finger that you're working on top of the tray, it's really simple to collect all the dust that's coming off, and then you'll see that I am going to end up collecting the dust and putting it back into the container because why waste that product? And then at the very end, when you have given your nails some time to settle, the powder to settle and the wet nail polish to dry down a little, then I would recommend using the brush that comes in the box. It's perfect for swiping away any of the excess velvety part. Nail polish dries too fast, it doesn't always stick on. If you apply too much of a thin layer like I did on this nail, velvet doesn't hold on to the nail. So I would recommend to apply a thicker layer than you would normally and dump a lot of the velvet on. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this quick nail art tutorial. I appreciate your time and your energy. Please make sure to share this video with a woman of color who you know is interested in some nail art. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!